is Sajini and I am 9 years old. I have made a program on advanced calculator in Python. I will enter my choice as add. First, I will choose my first number and then I will choose my second number. And this is my result. So in this code, I have used define. DEF is a function which helps us to define different variables with parameters in the brackets. After every define statement, we need to return something. So, after every define statement, I have returned what has to happen in that operation. I have printed select operation. I have given all the operations with different serial numbers. First is add, second is subtract, third is multiply, fourth is divide, fifth is square of the first number, sixth is the square of the second number, and the seventh one is flooring. While the program is true, I have said that choice is equal to input, which means the user can enter his or her own choice from either of the 7 serial numbers. If, elif, and else are conditional statements which tells us what to do in what situation. So if the choice of the user is in either of these 7 serial numbers, then I ask the user to input his first and his second number. If the choice is 1, then I have programmed this program in such a way that the num1 and the num2 which the user inputted should be added. Elif is a statement or a conditional statement that is used between if and else. If the choice is 2, then the num1 and the num2 which the user inputted will be subtracted. If the choice is 3, then the num1 and the num2 which the user inputted will be multiplied. If the choice is 4, then the num1 and the num2 which the user inputted will be divided. If the choice is 5, then the num1 will be multiplied with itself, which is its square. If the choice is 6, then the num2 will be multiplied with itself, which is its square. If the choice is 7, then num1 will be divided by num2 and the answer will be given in a rounded off way. At last, I have broken the loop, which means after the user gets a chance to input his numbers and perform the operation, I have to break the loop. Break is a command that is used for the same. If the user inputs a choice other than these 7 choices, then I would print invalid input.